Hello and welcome to the 39th tutorial in the Cocos2d-JS version 3 series. In this part we're going to be looking at single touch moved events. We'll be using the source code from the 38th tutorial. If you don't have it, don't worry, there'll be a link in the description. In that we have single touch event that has been set up and single touch began detection. Cocos2d-JS provides us with all the desired functionality for touch recognition in the form of events. We will take a look at detecting when the user has touched the screen, aka single touch, and moved their finger around. You will need a device or a simulator of some sort to test this. If you aren't interested in developing for devices and only for the browser, don't worry, as we will cover mouse events later in this series. So let's open up app.js. This is where we're going to code it. I'm going to code it in here, but obviously you need to run it in Xcode. Just hate the IntelliSense on Xcode for JavaScript. So I'm doing it in here. And literally all you need to do is put a comma there on touch moved function, because that's what it is. It takes two parameters, touch and event. Now curly braces, and in here what we're going to do is ct.log, and now what we're going to put is touch moved plus touch.get location x. And what we're also going to do is just modify this slightly so it says touch began just so we can easily distinguish between the two, but because loads of these are going to be printed out, you'll be able to distinguish the starting one and the other one, but this will just help a little more. You don't need to return true for the untouched moved, it's only for the untouched began for the single touch. So we can save that, minimize it, and now what we can do is open up our project in Xcode. And now what we're going to do is just run it in iPhone 4. Yeah, we got the console window open, give it pretty big. And now what we're going to do, we'll touch, as you can see, touch began, and now I'm going to move my finger. And now as I'm moving, it's printing out the new touch move. So obviously you could use this for some sort of gesture recognition, or maybe you want a sprite to follow your finger. But again, we're not doing any specifics with it because it depends on what you want to achieve in your game. But we've provided the code that you need to be able to pick touch methods up and to get the location as well. We obviously now have the means to do this. Low task for you is to detect the Y coordinate and think about touch events on the different screen sizes that we set up earlier in the series. Little clue, normalizing the coordinates is one way, but there are others. In the next tutorial we will cover detecting when a single touch has ended, plus there are also other methods for touch as well, so I would recommend checking out the Cocos2d-JS API guide because there's a lot more information on there. If you have any questions, feel free to message us at support@sonarsystems.co.uk. The email will be in the description. You can comment on this video or just directly message us via YouTube, or the required links for source code will also be in the description. And as usual, thank you for watching and I hope you have a great day.